to play. You gotta have something engaging, maybe something that you can even learn a thing or two about, especially if you're a fan of history. And that's why I want to talk about Age of Empires 2. I can't help it because the nostalgia is so real with this one. I started playing this in 2002 and it got me so into history that I even considered going into it in college. The Age of Empires, it's not necessarily a turn-based game. It's definitely a strategy-based game where you work your way up from the Bronze Age and you go all the way up to the feudal age by upgrading your castles, upgrading your armies. It's essentially over hundreds of years progressed down into one short little game, and you can play as many different empires. Obviously, you can play as the Japanese, you can play as the Chinese, you can play as the Celts, the Vikings. They even have Native Americans on here now. They have
Native Americans, really? Like from North America?
Yes, on the definitive edition they do.
Wow, that's pretty cool. That's really. I'd love to play that. I'd love to throw some tomahawks at some dudes and get some work done. That sounds like a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's really cool. They did a great job. What they different, as you can see, like the first one, the HD over here on the left hand side, that came out a long time ago. But the definitive edition, they actually even added more content. It was much more than a remaster. They added many more different civilizations and empires that you can play with. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's fantastic, and you can kind of create what kind of battle you're looking for, which is what I really like about it. You can design your own custom map, make it as big as you want. You can choose where your enemies are going to be or where your allies are going to be. You can set up trade routes in between them, and you can do this all custom. So you can start off with as many supplies as you want, or you can start off from the bare. And you could sit and go for a good 7-8 hours if you really take this seriously. 7-8 hours before you even are really in depth and have a good idea about who's actually going to win the battle that you're playing. So it's for all ages. There's no blood and gore, anything like that. It's just a really, really, really simple, fun, educational game that's really going to get you into history. And if you're anything like me, you'll play this and then immediately go find some documentaries. But I had to share this because there's such a great deal for it on Amazon right now.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.